Boom boom, 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 boom boom. Santa baby.
Okay, so I was waiting for this fan to stop moving because it's kind of annoying to me. So like, that's enough for me to like turn it off. But we are not gonna fill in the brows because they're good enough. And for time's sake, you know. I don't have anywhere to go, but like don't want the video to be long. So we shall not do brows. I haven't done my makeup since November for a surprise birthday party for my godmother, and I didn't do like a get ready with me because it was a brunch, so it was early in the morning and I literally just woke up and did my makeup in like 2.2, and my mom was like, you did that really fast and it looks really good. It's very simple, which is what I do like all the time. You know, full coverage was cute back in the day, but like now, like for me personally, like less is more. But I love me a good blush. But the party was super cute. I think like a couple people gave speeches and she cried. It was super fun. The liquor was definitely there. And we just had a good old time, per usual. My family always has a good time, so that was no surprise. I wish I could take a picture of my outfit because I was kind of cute. It was a little 3-piece set. It was navy blue, which I don't like navy blue. That's like in school when my mom would like buy us like uniforms, I would always tell her like, I don't like blue, so like you're buying it, I'm never gonna wear it, so stop wasting your money. And so eventually she just stopped buying it because I wasn't wearing it, and it's like a waste of your money, so you might as well just buy something I'm literally gonna wear. Like, we give the kids choices in this family, so I definitely had a choice, and my choice was to wear khaki all the time because I just didn't like navy blue. I had an issue with the color blue, period, but more in particular navy blue. I just didn't like blue for a particular reason, so I was just I can live with a blue shirt, but the pants and the shorts, no ma'am. I went bowling like a few weeks ago and I was kind of good. I did kind of good the first round. I won the second round. I felt like I had won the first round, so I don't need to be doing all this kind of work. I'm gonna let somebody else win. The third round, 100-something points. Stop playing with me. Talk to me nice, baby, because I did win 2 times. I know I like sniffle or whatever you call it when you do. I know I do that a lot, but honestly, it's either 1, because I'm cold, or 2, I'm hot. And because I'm hot, like I need oxygen because it's hot. So that's what's happening. And I don't notice it until like I'm editing a video. And then I'm like, wow, I did this the entire time. I think faster than I speak sometimes, so, and I'm also like a fast talker. Other things going on, I went to my first white elephant party, or dirty Santa, whatever you call it, and I had no idea what to buy. The budget was like $15, I think, and so I brought this candle. Actually, I have the candle, but not the candle. Okay, this is the candle. This is the candle that I got from me picking a number and getting my gifts. But I brought this candle in a different scent for someone else's gift, which we were all like, I kind of want my gift, whatever. And so I was like, if the person who wanted her gift, which is this candle, if she had just picked up my gift, she would have got her candle, but it was in a different scent, and I like the other scent. One person brought flan. Didn't know we could bring something, but one person brought flan. I'd never had it before, and she described it as like a Mexican cheesecake. This is her description of it. Okay, so I'm going into it as a cheesecake lover, and I was just slightly disappointed because it was given what she said it was gonna get, but it wasn't given cheesecake. And I love me a good old cheesecake, so I was kind of just a little bit like, it wasn't nasty, but I would never like order it, you know. And then they had chocolate chip cookies, which were pretty good, and pumpkin pie. And I was like, this girl was like, you ever had pumpkin pie? And I was like in my head I was like, no, I'm black. So I was like, no, we don't do pumpkin pie. But I was trying to say, no, we do pecan pie because I'm black. These are all white girls, which is perfectly fine, right? My family don't do no pumpkin pie. You don't even eat pumpkin pie. Girl, pumpkin pie. Be for real, sister girl, you don't even eat pumpkin pie. They liked it, but I don't like pumpkin flavored stuff. Like, I don't really like pecans, but I like the pecan filling. Like, that I can get down. Just remove the pecans. I'm not a nut kind of girl. I don't like pecans, cashews, pistachio, none of that kind of stuff. Walnuts, none of it. It's not for me, like. But it was super fun. And then we got into like the actual white elephant, and I think I had the number 6, and it was 9 of us. And like, everybody went. The first gift was the first girl. She was like not trying to act like she was the first person, but she was the first person. And then she got her gift, and it was like a squishy thing and something else. This other person got like a snowman like cover, and it has like a hat on top. You can get it at Five and Below, which is super cute. And then the third person went, and she got like the Dr. Till's like set. Another person got like chocolate and coffee. One person got like a gift card to a local coffee shop. Another person got a coloring book, and when the girl opened the coloring book, she stole from the girl who had the Epsom salt thing. And that was the only person who stole. Nobody else stole. Everybody was like putting their head down because they didn't want their stuff to get like stolen. You know, like how you do in school and you like don't want the teacher to pick you, so you kind of just make no eye contact because don't pick me. And she was fine with getting the coloring stuff, which is cool, but nobody else stole. And we have changed positions because I used to film over there, but like I felt like constricted because my bed is like right there, and then the wall is like, you know. So we moved, but I just didn't think it was gonna work for lighting purposes for me to film here. But she's cute. We're filling it for the most part. It's not too bad, you know. You can't see my good side, but like, okay. But the party was cute, and then I went home, and I also got a coffee mug, which the coffee mug is cute. She went over the $15 because the candle was $13. I know people like don't do highlighter anymore, but I feel like if I don't do it, I feel like a bit incomplete. Like, it's not too much because this brush doesn't pick up much anyway, but it's just enough. Like, it gets the job done. I'm so glad I didn't do my eyebrows because honestly, I don't have anything to like talk about at this point. I really don't. Like, nothing's been going on for me to like share, you know, because there are things you like should keep to yourself in real life and on the internet, like for real. But tomorrow's video, we should be talking about Christmas wish lists. We're also going to talk about wrong lip liner, well, what the kids want, my niece and my nephew, and my parents. So that's what the vibe is going to be for tomorrow's video. Yeah, super cute little 12 days of Christmas, which is actually supposed to be like 12 days after Christmas, but like that's cute for like tradition, but like YouTube wise, we're gonna do it, you know, because I'm not committing to like the full vlogmas. You're gonna get 12 days. That's it. I only have 12 days in me, really. But this is it, and this is all. As per usual, super simple and cute. Maybe I should put on some lashes. Maybe I should, to like really step it up. Yeah, let's do that before I'm just like got a blast. So, we're gonna put on some lashes. Okay, now I look put together like a presentable human being with little lash. We like minks around here, sweetie. Okay, so I shall do like another day while I do my makeup and do like eyeshadow because it's been a minute. It's been a little moment though, okay? But she's super cute. The lash kind of puts me just on a different level. Like, I was looking crazy without the lash. I'm glad I thought about it. I'm glad I have a brain. But she's cute. As per usual. It's simple, it's cute, like just enough.